Hi, good afternoon. My presentation is my favorite songs. My name is Winder Alexander Rivera Reyes. I am 32 years old and at the moment I study system engineer in semester 10. I work now in Chuker company where I work as a automation test analytic. Soda Stereo is an Argentine alternative rock band created in 1982 by Gustavo Cerati, Charlie Alberti, and Zeta Bosio. They were the first speaking group that achieved a massive success in Latin America and played a very important role in the spread of Latin American rock and rock in Spanish during the 1908 and 1990. The song Música Ligera is important because it brings back memories of my school days and generates joy when listening to it. Kraken is an Colombian hard rock and heavy metal created in 1984 by Elkin Ramirez. For many experts and fans, the song Frágil al Viento is considered the most important of Kraken Carey. It is part of the album Una leyenda del rock. The song Frágil al Viento is important because it was the first time I went to a rock al parque with my fellow students. Thank you.